You and I were both lied to since childhood. We were told, since we were her age, that we had to save up cash to get started into real estate. In fact, I was told I had to go to school, I had to get a license, I had to do all of these things just to get my start in real estate. Corbin, do we have to go to school to get started in real estate?
My daddy didn't go to college.
That's right. Her daddy did not go to school or college, and her daddy does not have a real estate license, yet her dad owns 2,132 rentals all over the country. Not one time did I get a bank loan. Not one time did I use my credit. I didn't have to have a W-2 to do any of these things because I use Creative Finance. Creative Finance gave me the life of my dreams. I'm here in Montana at a property I bought with $1 down. No credit check on seller finance. You guys want to learn how to do this? You don't have to have a license. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to have cash or credit. You can get started right now and build the life of your dreams. The only thing keeping you from doing it is probably the fact that you haven't clicked on my case study. Corbin, what do they have to do to get to the case study? Click the link down below.
Click the link button down below.